Alright, so this part used to have this little carpet on it. So we tore all that off, stripped it down to the wood, pulled the staples out. Very messy job. And we're going to try to put this.
It's like stereo felt. He had a roll of it in the garage. I already pre-cut this because we didn't know we were going to make a video. And
We got to end up with the staples in the back. Right here.
so the staples have to go.
So let's see, it's going to come up around. A little extra over in the back.
I had this on here. Are you stapling up underneath?
Okay. One more time. There we go. First staple. Maybe. There you go. Oh, thing's broken.
Defective staple sign alert. Now what?
Stay. Put the staples on it.
Maybe not a defective staple sign, just an empty one.
Something doesn't sound right. There was supposed to be a spring on this. There's no spring on it. Oh. Maybe it's broke.
Well, that would be a bummer. So close to getting this done. I know you're excited, Gabby. Do we have a backup?